This video is sponsored by cdkoffers.com. So as you might know, I recently built a gaming PC and I installed Windows 10 Pro in it, but it is not a licensed version. I really wanted to get a product key to activate my Windows 10, but it costed around $199 on officialmicrosoft.com. Then I found this amazing website that is offering a Windows 10 Pro OEM key for as less as $17. You can even use the code RAJ to avail additional 20% discount. As soon as you complete your purchase, you can see your product key and you can simply go to your activation settings and install this product key and boom, Windows is activated using digital license for lifetime. So if you're looking for a Windows 10 Pro product key for cheap price, do check this website out. They also offer keys for several other products. The link will be in the description below, and remember, you can even use the code RAJ. Hey look, someone is offering a cracked version of Internet Download Manager. Let's actually download it. Seems like it's an encrypted zip file and the password is LOLX. But why encrypt the zip file in the first place when you're giving away the password in the file name itself? Anyway, let's extract it and see. So there is this file after extracting. I double click on it and it brings up Internet Download Manager setup. It also has a text file with serial keys. And yes, after installing, these serial keys worked and I got my premium version of Internet Download Manager. Look how cool I am. I'm using a paid software without paying. But hey, let me tell you, the file I just executed has a remote access trojan binded with it. How do I know, you ask? Well, I am the one who binded this rat. Now, since I executed the file, there is a rat running in the background. If you're wondering what's a rat, it stands for Remote Access Trojan, and it is basically a software that gives a hacker full access into your computer. Let me actually switch to the hacker's perspective and show you. Here you can see I'm able to do a lot of stuff on the victim's computer. I'm able to do all of this because of the pirated file that the victim executed. Let me brief you how I made this file. I'm using an open source rat called encrypted. I built an exe file using it. The exe is programmed in such a way that when someone runs it, it's going to connect their PC with my PC and it's going to give me access into theirs. In short terms, it is a rat. But any antivirus software would right away detect this exe file as a trojan because encrypted is a pretty popular rat and it's been out there on the internet from many months or maybe even years. But obviously, there are ways for malware authors to get around this. If the exe file is encrypted, then obviously antivirus softwares will not be able to scan it. So a small innocent program called stub is written which will eventually decrypt this encrypted malicious binary code, or in other words the exe file, and then load it into the memory and execute it. The main goal of this stub is to be innocent so that the antivirus softwares will not flag it as a malware in the first place. This way it makes it harder for antivirus softwares to detect the actual trojan. But eventually it will get detected as a trojan as antivirus softwares automatically collect samples and review them. But it may take quite some time, maybe a day or even a week or even a month. The programs that make malware undetectable are called cryptors. Anyway, I then just downloaded the Internet Download Manager setup from the official website. I did not even crack it or anything, it's just the legitimate setup file that is downloaded from the official website, because hey, this is a demo and I don't need to actually crack some software and bind it with something else. I then binded the Internet Download Manager setup file with my rat using a simple C code. This is probably the lamest way to bind two files, but hey, this is just for demo, so I don't care. Instead of using a cryptor, I simply used WinRAR's self-extracting utility to compress these three files and also encrypted them with a password so that they can't be scanned. I compressed these files in such a way that when the SFX file is executed, it automatically extracts the three files into the temp folder, and as soon as the extraction is done, it is going to run the compiled C program which is binding IDM setup and my rat. So both the IDM setup file and my rat are opened automatically on just one click. Now I again compressed this SFX file into an encrypted zip file with the password LOLX. The reason I encrypted this zip file with a password is so that no antivirus softwares will be able to scan the file as soon as it is downloaded. So the download will not be blocked by the browser or your antivirus in the first place. So if you're seeing some compressed file on the internet that is encrypted, but you also see the creator of the file giving away the password, chances are the compressed file contains some mischievous programs like a rat or an adware or a miner or anything that you wouldn't want to run on your computer. However, after extracting the zip file with the password, many antivirus softwares will right away detect the extracted file as a malware, but as I already said, this is just for demo. But a never seen before crypter can actually blind antivirus detection. Now clicking on the SFX file will automatically extract both the IDM file and my rat to temp folder, and it will automatically run the compiled C program, which in turn execute both the extracted files. Now that the rat executed in the background, a session is opened on the hacker's computer, and now anything can be done, like stealing passwords, cookies, recording webcam, microphone, and many more. The reason I made this video is to show how easy it is for hackers to attach rats to pirated softwares, and why you should never ever download pirated softwares or pirated games or whatever it is. Just don't download anything from untrusted websites. In most of the cases, pirated softwares, cracked games and game cheats are targeted by hackers because there is a high traffic volume for these, and people would do anything to get something for free of cost, or to cheat in an online game by using cheating scripts written by someone else. They would even turn off their antivirus if they were asked to. I know it because I have been there too. So finally, you may end up getting some video games or paid softwares or a game cheat for free of cost, but you just saw the risk it imposes. So never download pirated softwares or cracked games from internet. Just do not download anything from untrusted websites or from emails from unknown people. That's all I wanted to say in this video. So thanks for watching, hope you learned something new. If you want an in-depth tutorial, you can always check out my blog. I will be writing a blog post there, so please find the link in the description and click on it. And you can also join my Discord for more such cool stuff. So thanks for watching, I will meet you in the next video. Until then, cheers. And also, do not forget to subscribe and do hit that bell icon.